Hi Elena, this is Leopoldo Torres since Puebla, Mexico. Today, November 27 of 2024 here, and I want to comment you about my experience as a public accountant and why I consider to be a good element for your team. Well, let me start with my first experience as a content manager working for Green Edge Fire Protection System Company in Mexico, where I had on my chart all the accounting process since preparing journal entries, balance sheet, profit and loss statement, and also cash flow statement for the company, beside the budget and forecast reports that we had to prepare every month, and several intercompany reports that the corporate requires month by month at the deadlines that the U.S. companies they work. With this experience, I had on my chart also to attend the auditors of PricewaterhouseCoopers. These this auditing were during 5 years with excellent results for the company, where I had always during the year the preparation of the work papers for auditors, and never I had troubles with the finance numbers, and not only for finance terms, and also we work all acceleration for tax purposes with the authority in Mexico, but never I had trouble. And besides this, I could travel to Guerrero in Iztapa, Mexico, where I had the opportunity to work as controller for this company, where I developed my first ERP implementation with Sound System is the brand of this ERP, where I could do the implementation of all the models: finance, sales and distribution, basically, and fixed assets, for example, with the import and export of the machinery for wood production that we had in Guerrero. And I was working there for almost 3 years, and I had another opportunity to travel to Puebla when I arrived here to work to GEDAS North America, the outsourcing of IT services to Volkswagen of Mexico, where I could set up the server level agreement for this company and to have good results during 5 years, because we start with an annual contract for about $14 million, and we finished with $23 million of value of this contract, where I had to take a special training in USA, talking about the chargeback process for IT services that we collect every year to Volkswagen of Mexico. That was our main core business together. But beside this project, I had to do the SAP implementation ERP to Volkswagen users, more than 4,500 users from different areas: finance areas, accounting areas, asset, fixed assets, account receivable, human resources, etc. Several models of SAP, where I consider my strongest experience. Besides this, I leave Volkswagen to be an entrepreneur and join with another partner to develop a special solution for companies when the requirements for tax purposes, talking about the billing in Mexico, CFDIs, that when it started maybe 10 years before, a lot of companies in Mexico, they were requiring people that help them to understand the requirements of the SIT authority in order to don't pay penalties for these kind of requirements, because at the beginning the companies does understand how to handle the vouchers and all the accounting in order to produce the right information to pay in compliance their taxes in Mexico. Well, I can tell you in general, in my experience as a manager or as a public accountant, that I have served to a variety of clients, small and bigger clients. And my other hard experience is talking about the SAP and ERP's implementation as QuickBooks, also Oracle interfaces, and another solutions talking about sales and marketing. Thank you very much for your time, for considering me, and I look forward to hearing very soon from you. Thank you. Bye.